Hey, good evening, guys. Hope you're doing well. I just want to come out here and record a video, give you guys kind of an inside scoop of what I do sometimes, when I'm wrapping up the evening and I'm looking at the markets. You guys may not know how to access this, so let me show you a couple points of data here that I think are very important for us to be watching right now, especially when Bitcoin and, the whole market's just tanking here. One of my friends was telling me today that there's a really big bank out there that just bought like a ridiculous amount of gold, thinking that the dollar is going to crash and everything's going to go to gold. I haven't come to that conclusion yet. I think our money in banks are safe, but it's just getting kind of crazy out there. With that said, speaking of crazy, let me show you guys a little bit of kind of a relief, a little bit here of what I'm seeing. So if you guys go to Coinbase and you go to the just the basic chart here, and you come over and you click on Bitcoin, and it's at the top here, and you guys actually go, you're probably going to usually see the price chart here. Go over and click the depth chart for a second. Instead of clicking plus to get in really, tight in here, click the minus button here. What this is going to show you guys is pending buy limits as well as pending sell limits. How do you read this? That's kind of I want to go over this today and give you guys some insight. What does this mean? And more than what does it mean, I think something that we as traders need to get better at as a whole, and I'm including myself with this statement, is trying to understand what traders behind the screen are doing in order to create the lines we see on our charts and the lines we see on our metrics. What's actually happening in the trader's mind? And I want to kind of unpack that today in this video. What are we looking at here? And what's the behavior and what can we glean from this to help give us a better position and just help us predict the market moves better? So let's just start here and let's literally just dive on into this. What we can see here is that at the current moment, there are a lot more people in Bitcoin right now looking to purchase than they are looking to sell. Okay. This is also getting into not only price, but you're looking at volume over here. So if you look at this, for example, up here at, let's say people are coming in, let's look at a wall. Here's a buy wall for everybody to pay attention to, $20,000. Okay, people in here are looking, the cost is about 48 million in here is what we're looking at. So there's about, 36, 48, just tickering back and forth right here, dollars in here for people looking to buy this thing. People are looking to buy this dip. And so the way you can use this is, we call this sometimes buy walls or trading with the whales. When you see a lot of money at one particular price, the price usually sees a bounce around that area. Now, when you've got a lot of people and the sentiment of the market is more bullish, you're going to see people stack up their volume of trades on the buying side versus people, if the market was really bearish, you would see this absolutely flip-flop. So you'd see the red line go straight up here and the green line would be lower, showing there's lower volume of purchases in a market that's skyrocketing because most people are looking to actually sell, and that's why the volume of sells are higher than the volume of longs when the market's pumping a lot because people are looking to take some profit. When a market's tanking like this, the good sign here is that we see a lot of people putting their money into Bitcoin here looking to buy the dip. Okay, you guys understand that. Let me show this to you, Ethereum real quick, and we'll continue here. Ethereum, honestly, Ethereum's looking even better. Basically, at the price down here, we're looking at about 1,100, 1,200. We've got a buy wall. So, it may be a little difficult for Ethereum to go past this because we got so many people buying right there. So a lot of that buying power is going to overtake the amount of sales. Now, yes, it's an exchange, so we need an equal portion of both. But when you see this amount of volume sitting here with buy limits, these are buy limits, guys. Like, it's just money sitting at certain prices in certain quantities, and there are more people here looking to buy into crypto than they are looking to sell. And this is to me, I read this as a bullish sign. I don't know if there's any other way to read this. This is definitely bullish. Let me take you guys over to the metrics here for a second. So we ended up updating all of our metrics on the website, and this has been really, really fun, and I've really enjoyed this. Let me point this out to you guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin here real quick, and again, let's just unpack what are we actually looking at. Something I didn't explain to you guys too much is this blue line here not only is showing you guys the percentage chance probability of a market turnaround, but it's also gauging the fear and the greed in the market. So when you guys see this blue line dip down here, and we dip down very close to about 95%, this is the daily time frame, this is dipping in about yesterday. And if you look at Bitcoin yesterday, that literally is where we It's pretty much where we got close to the bottom, which was down here at this bottom wick. So we hit about 95% metric over here looking for a potential move back up. And we actually have seen a decent move back up here. And we're going to try to hold that at the moment. Our metrics or our indicator is going to be right 100% of the time. No, not by any means, honestly. But they are actually pretty accurate at calling some of these pumps back up. What I like to do is I like to look to see, okay, where has metric values been like this in the past? And have we seen it positively correlate to moves back up? And this showing us it literally hitting right down here at 100% chance of a market move back up. It literally moved right back up. Up here, I'd say we're close to about a 98% chance. It literally dropped right there. This doesn't look like it dropped too much, but you guys have to understand something. I covered this earlier. For those of you guys who didn't see it, let me show you here. If you look at December, it was a crazy drop in December. Let me show this to you guys in the 4-hour time frame. And I will get back into what I was talking about with you guys. This is the drop right here. That's where the metric out here was like, hey, everybody should be buying this thing because there's about a 99% chance it's going to go back up. And yes, it definitely moved back up quite a bit. It shot up about 20% in a single day. The structure high here is a total of 23%. Pretty ridiculous. This is a 4-hour candle, just so you guys know. All right. I'm saying all that, and here's what I want to share with you guys. What do we do with this data? Here's how I want you guys to read this. I want you to read this looking into the minds and the people behind those that are actually creating these lines on these charts. Okay, here's what's happening in people's minds right now. This line right here is showing if overall money in crypto is heading into this coin or if it's moving out of this coin. What has been happening in the last 2 weeks is money has been flowing into Bitcoin, okay? And it's been flowing into Bitcoin in a consolidation and a drop period. Do you see this where the market dropped here? The market cap went up here. This is called the dominance chart. We see consolidation and it still went up. Only recently have we actually seen the dominance chart here, the overall money in Bitcoin relative to the entire market. It has actually dropped out. So 2 ways you can read this. One, people may be bailing out of Bitcoin right now and moving it into USD because they're kind of terrified that they're going to lose even more money. And that's why it's coming out of Bitcoin. Or there could be some people out there that think this is actually the bottom and they're moving their money into other coins like Cardano. And this is actually where we're seeing the market cap move up. Isn't that kind of interesting? So I don't see a lot of people covering this right now, but this is an on-chain metric that you guys need to understand. On-chain metrics are very powerful. They literally show you like, is money moving into your coin or is it moving out? Guys, people are buying up ADA more than they have actually been buying up Bitcoin the last couple of days. Let's take a look at another coin. Look at this. We even see Algo seeing a little bit of a jump. Let's take a look at this. We see even Ape sees a little bit of a jump while Bitcoin moved down. Look at what's happening, guys. Do you see what's going on here? We are actually seeing an increase of money moving back into altcoins right now. Look at that. Even DOT over here making a nice little jump at the same time, guys. Look up here. Bitcoin moving down. People are transitioning back into the altcoins. And when I say people, this is the big guys out there. These are Wells institutions. So I'm just now coming up with this analysis because I love how we have these charts on here now. Like I don't know if you guys have a membership with us or not. It's in the description. Feel free to snag it. But watch this on all these charts. Like this is pretty staggering. Like literally the last 2 days, I'm trying to find a coin here that hasn't gone up. Even Ethereum has gone up just a tad bit here. Look at this. Look at Link over here taking a jump over here with the price going down. It's crazy, guys. So money's moving back into the altcoins and it's coming out of Bitcoin. All right, point number 1. I know this is a longer video, but I'm just trying to give you guys just really good analysis. Okay, let's move down here. The percentage chance of moving back up, like I already showed you guys, this is why I do think we're going to see some type of relief rally back up. Now, I don't think we're going to blast past 30,000. 30,000 is structure support, now future resistance. 30,000 is the maximum I think we're going to head up here, and then we're going to see a little bit of move back down. Let's pair this with what people are doing behind the scenes as well on Bitfinex, which is the long and shorts over here. We have long trades far exceeding the volume of short trades on Bitfinex. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum down here. Let's go to Ethereum. Let's scroll down here a little bit further. Everything's in alphabetical order to make it really easy for you guys. So looking at Ethereum down here, we can see that, look at this. Long trades are increasing drastically on Ethereum, and short trades are completely moving out of the market. Guys, I literally love getting on these charts now and geeking out and just scrolling through and looking at the whole market. Like, you can literally tell behind the scenes what whales are doing by watching this. You guys can also watch this, and you can watch what behavior has happened in the past. Literally, we coded in a whale and institutional smart money metric into this to see what smart money does. Because when this pushes down into about the 95 to 96 territory, this is where you are highly, highly likely to see a market reversal back up. Okay, it's a very, very powerful metric we're able to code over here, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So overall, my videos have been a little bit more bullish lately because of those factors. I don't know how else to say this, but it's like long trades are moving up. We see dominance moving down and altcoins moving back up. I think people are transitioning over to altcoins. They are. People are shifting out of Bitcoin. They've been putting their money in Bitcoin the last couple of weeks, and they are now shifting it over into altcoins. Pretty interesting. So I hope you guys got something good out of this. Our membership, I always feel weird. It feels weird trying to tell you guys about a membership while the market's crashing, because let me just be honest. I know everybody's losing money right now, but I think some of you guys really could use some good metrics right now to help you gauge your emotions and to see what's going on in the market. You guys pay $95 a month. All those metrics I was just looking at, I didn't look at hardly all of these, but you guys get that for all of our coins. I'm actually going to go live with you guys in a Telegram. Excuse me, guys, not a Telegram. I'm going to post it in Telegram, but we're going to go live on Zoom this Thursday, literally the 16th of June. I'm going to go live with you guys, do an open Q&A session. Inside tips, any money-making tips, any trade setups that I see that you guys really need to get into, I'm going to post it. So make sure you guys are part of the membership, the community chat, and the master classes are yours. So we basically just packed the greatest amount of value into any membership possible, and we kind of just gave it all to you. And guys, take a look at this. Trending news. We have all the trending news for every single coin on our website. So if you guys want to get on here, you're like, I just want to know all the trending news for Avalanche. Okay, there you go. You scroll down here. I want to know all the trending news right now for Ethereum. Everything you guys want is literally right here. So I think you guys are really going to enjoy this, and check out the chat if you guys would like, and chat with some of our members. The indicators, I'll leave you guys with this. I know a lot of people don't stick around to the end of the videos. I understand that. I'm not blaming anybody. The indicators, we use these for our strategy. So when trend exhaustion is really low down here and well money flows low, like we see it down here, this is when we expect market moves back up. And if you guys have been following us on our scalping trades, and I'm going to be looking for more scalping trades potentially on Thursday. Tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to do too much because we actually have the carpets being cleaned in the house, and we have to move every piece of furniture off of our carpet, and our internet's going to be out too. So Jake, one of the guys on my team, may be posting a video that he's going to do for tomorrow on YouTube, so you guys can get that. But I will try to get a video out tomorrow evening. But I want to do this extra analysis right now because this is what I want to talk about tomorrow a lot. So if I'm not able to get any videos out tomorrow, I just want to really give you guys a good one tonight. So indicators are in the description. Definitely snag those guys. They are actually on a really good discount. And then those of you guys who are brand new, here's the deal. I'll go on the front page here, click the home button here. Here's how you guys get started with our scalping strategy. Like the new strategy I came out with just today, it combines our old strategy and scalping together. I'll show you exactly what you can do every single morning to grab money out of the market. And it has been our most successful strategy of 122 wins and only one loss. And we actually use this to scalp, and we've done about 32% in the last about 26 days, which is pretty cool. So if you guys stuck around this long, maybe you guys will really enjoy this. And then all you need is just indicators membership, and the Telegram comes with the membership. So that's pretty awesome. And you guys can read some profits of what people are making down here, like literally thousands of dollars. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys. Hope you really enjoyed that video. If you like it, subscribe. It means the world to me. It really does. And I just hope you guys have a really good night. And just know that I'm just a dude with you guys hanging out, trying to trade crypto the best we can. And I understand it's really hard. And my heart goes out to you guys who have lost a lot of money. A lot of people have lost everything. And those of you guys who did use risk management like we taught, I'm proud of you guys because you still have something to show. But those of you guys who lost everything, I'm really sorry. Like, I really am. This is not an easy time to go through. And if you guys just need someone to talk to, email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we're here for you. All right, guys. Video's long enough. I'm going to cut this short. I'm going to call it a night here, go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.